The logistics hub is not a physical space, it's a concept.
And that is one of the most important facts to know about government's proposed logistics hub for Jamaica. It's not about any single space, but rather the relationship among a range of goods and service providers and the infrastructure connecting them. Fact is, it's the interconnectivity among various industries that will transform the country into the fourth major node in the global logistics chain. So what of the Goat Islands, that area located in the Portland Bight protected area?
Goat Island, if it happens, is not the logistic hub. It will be an important element of the logistics hub.
China Harbour Engineering Company, CHEC, is proposing to establish a transshipment port on parts of the island.
But for that decision to be made, that's a whole of country decision, not just a cabinet.
In fact, it will take a national effort to transform Jamaica into a global logistics hub. But government has to take the lead on implementing certain critical elements. Our road network must be linked and upgraded to accommodate easy travel of goods and people across the country. The port should be expanded to allow access to the biggest ships, and holding areas will be needed for dry goods such as cereals, wheat and grains, which will be offloaded in Jamaica to be shipped to other countries. If we examine the operations of the other three superpowers in the global logistics chain, Singapore, Rotterdam and Dubai, it's clear we must also establish special economic zones. These countries have provided employment for thousands of their citizens through this venture, and the Jamaican government is looking to emulate their success.
These special economic zones will cluster large transnational companies engaged in a variety of logistics activities, warehousing and manufacturing logistics that add value to semi-finished or intermediate goods that are destined for global markets. As many as 16 SEZs are contemplated to be spread across the country, connected with each other, linked with the port community system, and connected to the world. We see the SEZs as facilitating new and innovative commercial ventures for the MSME sector, opening up significant opportunities for job creation and allowing our firms to link into global trading platforms.
A few other facts to consider. The Jamaica Logistics Hub seeks to take advantage of the imminent widening of the Panama Canal, scheduled for practical completion in April 2016. 90% of the world's trade is done by ships, and the expanded canal will bring more and larger ships through the region. The Jamaica Logistics Hub has the potential to catalyze several export-driven manufacturing and service industries. A website has been mounted to provide information about the Logistics Hub initiative. To find out more, click on JamaicaLogisticsHub.com.